Hi everyone, Kate here. The holidays are here and Thanksgiving is upon us. That means plenty of delicious foods and treats we love so much. So, let me introduce you to cranberries, as I dive into 3 of my favorite cranberry recipes for the upcoming holidays with your friends and family. Shall we? Coconut cranberry cookies is our first recipe. 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk. 1 package, 14 ounces, sweetened shredded coconut. 1 cup white baking chips. 1/4 cup ground almonds. 1 teaspoon almond extract. 1 cup chopped fresh or frozen cranberries. A pinch of nutmeg. A pinch of salt. Now preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, stir together the condensed milk, shredded coconut, baking chips, almonds, and almond extract until well combined. The mixture will be sticky. Then scoop the cookie batter into balls. Arrange the cookies 3 inches apart on parchment-lined baking sheets. Gently shape each cookie into a mound. Bake the cookies 10 to 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet and enjoy. Cranberry Pear Pie, our second recipe. Dough for single crust pie. 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons butter, melted 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 6 medium tart pears, peeled and thinly sliced 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries. For the topping, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 3 tablespoons cold butter, ice cream of your choice. Now preheat oven to 350 degrees. On a lightly floured surface, roll dough to a 1/8 inch thick circle. Transfer to a 9-inch pie plate. Trim crust to 1/2 inch beyond rim of plate. In a bowl, combine sugar, flour, butter, nutmeg, and salt. Add pears and cranberries. Stir gently, pour into crust. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. Put in butter until crumbly. Stir in almonds. Sprinkle over filling. Bake until pears are tender and crust are golden brown, about 1 hour. Let your delicious cranberry pear pie cool down and enjoy. Now the showstopper. Orange cranberry trifle with toasted pistachio. Our third and final recipe. 2 packages, 12 ounces each. Fresh or frozen cranberries, 1.5 cups water. 1 1/3 cups sugar. 2 teaspoons minced fresh ginger root. 4 teaspoons grated orange zest. 1 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 3 cups. 2% milk, 1 loaf, 16 ounces. Frozen pound cake, thawed and cut into 1-inch cubes. 1/4 cup fresh orange juice. 1/2 cup pistachio toasted sweetened whipped cream. In a large saucepan, combine the first 5 ingredients. Bring to a boil, stirring to dissolve sugar. Reduce heat to medium. Cook, uncovered, until berries pop and mixture is thickened, about 15 minutes. Remove from the heat. Cool completely. For custard, in a large saucepan, mix the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Whisk in milk. Cook and stir over medium-high heat until thickened and bubbly. Reduce heat to low. Cook and stir 2 minutes longer. Remove from the heat. In a small bowl, whisk a small amount of hot milk mixture into egg yolks not too hot. Return all to the pan, whisking constantly. Bring to a gentle boil, cook and stir for 2 minutes. Immediately transfer to a clean bowl, stir in vanilla, then cool for 30 minutes. Cover with wax paper, refrigerate until cold for 1 hour. To assemble, place half of the cake at the bottom of the trifle bowl. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Layer with half of the cranberry mixture, a 1/4 cup pistachio nuts, and half of custard. Repeat layers. Refrigerate covered until ready to serve. Add any topping to your liking. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy making one or all of my favorite recipes for the holiday season with your loved ones. Happy holidays. Take care and be safe.